Alright, testing 1, 2, 3. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the chief here of the Ishiguri Naim, yeah? From Barbados. And today is what's cooking. What's cooking in Barbados? Yes. What is cooking in Barbados? That's today's video. That's today's video, cooking with the Indian chief of the Ishiguri Naim, the people that needs to wake the fuck up. Yes, this is yours and truly, David J, the chef on demand, cooking the truth in the pot and giving it straight to you. Now, today for February, what we got going on here? Today for February, what we got going on in Barbados is we got a bunch of headless chickens running about the place. Yes, these headless chickens are known as the politicians of Barbados, the BLP or the DLP. That's what we have here in Barbados, because they don't know the originality. Yeah, they don't know where they come from. They don't know where they're going. They don't know who the hell they are. Yeah, just bringing it to you, cooking some nice spaghetti. I got some good pasta up in there boiling and cooking up. And I got my chicken stew right here. And I just say about headless chickens, some headless chickens. Yeah, that's Johnny Walker there don't want to walk off the fucking place. Yeah, that's me. That's me, all right. Johnny Walker want to walk off Barbados like it's a piece of flat earth. Yeah, that's right. Because we got a lot of jokers in the place playing the ass. We got a woman prime minister, or a man prime minister, giving her friends big jobs in government. She now give one of her friends a job in GIS, giving her $8,000 a month. Some say that friend is who doing her hair. And who doing her hair why? Doing her hair and getting $8,000 too, just for doing her hair. Her hair still looks fucked up. I tell you, it looks fucked up. Yes, that's it. It looks fucked up, man. Real talk. So I don't know why she's paying her $8,000 to do her hair, and her hair still look fucked up. Yes, I said it. Fucked up. All right, now we going on over now to what we got boiling in Barbados. As you can see, the pot is over here boiling. What we got boiling in Barbados? They want to come on down on social media, people, giving people the truth or the reality of what's going on in the world. Yes, they want to come down on social media, people. I said it and I said it again, but they can't fuck with us. You know why? Because we give you the truth straight up, cooking straight on the stove. Here is the truth cooking on the stove. We got some pasta with some potatoes, and we got some chef chicken boyardee. Yes, that's how we do it. We keeping it real all the time. This is how we do it in Barbados. We mixing up the pot. We like to mix up the Indians and the white people, and we get on like if everybody is getting along. And no, not everybody is getting along. People are doing what they gonna do for them to survive, but the organic people of the land still struggling, while these people are striving. Yes, that's it. Because you know what? The organic people of the land don't like one another. They like to cut one another's throat, try to bump one another, try to do a lot of ignorance to one another. Because why? They don't like themselves. They don't love themselves. And I can tell you this, coming from Chef Boyardee, David J on the Max, and Chief of the Ishiguri Naim here in Barbados, they don't like themselves. You know what I told a girl this morning? She keep calling father, father. I say, why father? Didn't you come from a mother? Did you come out the womb or you came out an asshole? Answer my question. You know what she told me? She done cursed me straight down the road. She say, I ain't know nothing about the mother. I talked to the father. So she come out the asshole. I said it again. She came out the asshole. I tell you, I didn't come out the asshole. I came out the womb. And the first God you ever know was your mother. Nobody else but your mother. I said it, and I'll say it again. The only one you came out is your mother. Now, the only God you should be hiding is the great mother herself. And yes, I want to big up to Chief Rod Hayes, number 7, for putting the matriarchal back on the throne. Chief Grand Rare Bird on the throne. Enough respect to Rod Hayes and the Chiefs, and bringing out Malachi York soon out of jail. They're going to bring out Malachi York, and they're going to get the other Chiefs, and they're going to clean up the land. Yes, I said it, and I'll say it again. They're going to clean up the land and kick all the bullshit motherfuckers off the road. And I said it, and I'll say it again. So, this is what we got going on here in Barbados. What we got cooking. We don't want to overcook those potatoes. That's like the government overcooking the money in the NIS. Yes, I said it, and I said it again. 1 point something, 5 or billion, $1 million. I think it's million or billion. They take out the money out the INS and national insurance. Yeah, national insurance, they take the money out of national insurance, and then they won't tell people to turn around and repopulate the earth. That's what's cooking in Barbados. That's what is cooking in Barbados. You see my potatoes and my pastas coming down nice and gently. That's how we do it. And my sauce is coming down nice and gently. Yeah, they took the money out of NIS. They took the money out of NIS and turn around and tell the Bajan people to repopulate the earth, but me as people anti. The Prime Minister is people's auntie. She is no aunt of mine, not a distant cousin, not even a relative. You know what she is, though? She is a dirty Moor. Her bloodline is full of it. The dirty Moors that came across from Europe, the Tuscan, the Tudors, and the Conquistadors. That's what she's full of. That lousy bloodline that get run out of Europe. I've said it, and I'll say it again. That's what she is, and that's what she's gonna be. So this month we got a hunt for the social media activists. No, we have action this month. We have a hunt for mainstream people pushing out propaganda about the jab, pushing out propaganda about life, and pushing out propaganda in a whole. We have a special jail bill for these people. Yes, and I said it again. Diego Garcia or Gitmo. Short for Guantanamo Bay. Yes, we have Guantanamo Bay in Cuba for these fucking bastards. I've said it, and I said it again. These fucking bastards. Yes, we have Gitmo for these people. You know why? We got Zingerberg on trial. We got the guy from TikTok. We got all of these bastards that try to fact check the truth. While the people bringing the truth to these people, these bastards want to shadow ban people and put them in Facebook jail. Well, look what we have here. Now these people are on trial right now with the Supreme Court and the World Tribunal. Yes, I've said it, and I'll say it again. You know why? You can't push your water uphill, but when the shit comes tumbling down, it's gonna come and get you. Yeah, that's right. When the shit comes tumbling down, it's gonna get you. So yes, you're here now live with me, David J., otherwise known as AK, Chief of the Issue Gruni Aim, or the Chef Bardi, the original Chief Chef, out here to feed the people and feed myself. Yes, and here we have it again. We got the sauce coming down. Nice and easy. I don't want my spaghetti to overcook. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the pot off. Yeah, I don't want my pasta to overcook, so we're gonna turn the pat off. All right, they're nice and ready. See how they're nice and ready? Nice and soft and ready. And my chicken bouillon. My chicken bouillon is doing very good. It's nice, sweet and spicy. That's how I like it. Yep. And we got Big Mama come back to home. She's on the throne. She replacing the Pope. Yes, we got Big Mama replacing the Pope. Yes. Replacing the Pope in Rome, so we now gone from matriarchal. We gone from patriarchal to matriarchal. It's the best thing that ever happened to the earth. She has the earth throne seat. And big up to Big Mama. Big up to Chief Rare Bird. Yeah, I've said it and I've said it again. Big up to Chief Rare Bird for coming out, doing her thing. Keeping it real on Young Elder, but big up to that yacht brother too as well, Young Elder. Big up to Young Elder. Give yourself a pat on the back for bringing down the showdown. That's what I'm talking about. And I said again, big up to the Chief Rod Hayes for doing a good job. I said it again. Yeah, so everyone, those little eyes, those small U's on those little eyes, everyone is playing this part in the whole flipping of the earth, making everything happening good, everything happening right, bringing it right side up and making everything going right. So what we got in Barbados, we got a bunch of headless chickens running about the place, thinking that they're going to get some grace, but there's no grace in their face. Just fucking mace in the place. Yeah, just mace in the place. That's what they want spraying with. After a while, trying to hurt the people, jab the people, poison the people, poison all sorts of things to the people, trying to make the people homie. All sorts of stuff they trying to do to people, trying to fuck up people. Yes, I said it. They're trying to fuck up people. But it's not happening here. Not on my watch. Yeah? So tell them to put this social media bill, put it where the sun don't shine. Where the sun don't shine, we put in these bills, because we know that common law is finished. Amateur law is off the land. All the foolish vibrations that they trying to put on the organic people of the land is over. Yes, I've said it, and I'll say it again. All the foolishness that they try to do and hurt the people in Barbados and all over the world is finished. So it's time for people to stand up, hold a big papa, hold a big party. Big Mama's back on her throne seat, and she's gonna kick some ass. Yes, she's gonna kick some ass. And Big Mama, if you're looking for another brother to kick some ass, I'm here in Barbados. Yes, David J., one of the chiefs of the Ishiguni Naim, and I'm here to kick some ass. I want to take my foot and put in somebody's ass so hard it goes up to the fucking throat. Yes, I've said it, and I'll say it again. Yeah. So this what's going on in Barbados. Oh, they say the Christians think they got this win. No, you ain't got this win. You know why you ain't got this win? Let me tell you why you ain't got this win. Reason why you ain't got this win is because with all the lands got in Christian names, all the lands gone in Christian names, that means that we were on an occupation. So there's no way that that was anything positive for all people. As I said it, and I'll say it again, there's nothing good that came from an occupation. You lost the way you're thinking, you lost the way you're doing, you lost the way you're doing every single thing on the land. Yes, even how to think for yourself. You want to got people thinking for you and think you're going to get you, it's not gonna work. You gotta think for yourself, baby. You gotta think for yourself. Yeah. Look at my sauce. Look at my sauce coming down. Oh, Lord. Isn't that lovely? Nice and spicy, nice and sweet. Just right for people. All right. That's why I do it. Because see, got my celery in there. Got a little tomato. Some chickens all swimming around and shit. That's how I do it. That's how I do it. Chef Baldy right here. That's how I do it right here. And folks, that's what they're trying to take. They're trying to push the Christian vibration, thinking that the Christian vibration is going to run shit. No, the Christian vibration is how the children went missing, how the girls went missing, how every single motherfucker went missing. Yeah, they send in a spy, they send in their missionaries. Why they do? Sneak on the teeth to people out the back door and try to do a lot of shit with the people. And if you look at all these televangelists and all these big people that you see on TBN and all that, when you do the research and you look into these people, guess what? They were part of human trafficking. Yeah, they were involved in human trafficking. Look, they now got TD Jakes. They now got TD Jakes. What that's telling you My words don't touch the ground, they touch the sky. Yeah, baby, they don't touch the ground, they touch the sky. So that's why we're going to big enough. I see got a chief on, I got see the chiefs is on here. I see got Keno Peacock here on the place. Enough respect to you. We got George Jones on the line. Who else we got on? We got some people on. Yeah, that's how we keep on doing, man. We keep doing it. And that's how we do it. Keeping it real. There's one good chief here kicking ass from where he's from. He's kicking some ass, yes. And decoding this shit left, right, and center. And we got a girl here. We got the goddess here, George Jones from Tobago. He's kicking some ass too in Tobago. One of the chiefs in Tobago. We got nothing but chiefs here online. That's kicking back and watching David J's, the chief of the Ishigrini Naim, one of the chief of the Ishigrini Naim, cook his way to success. Yes, cook his way to success. That's how I do it. Yeah. So that's what we got cooking for Barbados. We got the social media bullshit going on. That ain't gonna last because right now this month they're going after all mainstream media for doing and telling the people crap and pushing what they call suspicious conspiracy. Yes, I said it. Suspicious conspiracy in the place. That's what we got going on right here in Barbados. And Mia try to bypass all the laws of the land and the Constitution, she's going to get a tail gall and whoop. You know why? We got a case going down in Florida, 99 names, and her name is one on the list. Yes, I said it. 99 names, and her name is one on the list. That's what's going on right here. Here in Barbados. As you can see, how we keep it. How we just keep it is keeping it real and jiggy for you. I got my sauce here coming down. Look at my sauce coming down. Oh, Lord have mercy. I'm going to lick my fingers today. Yes, I said it. I'll say it again. I'm gonna lick my fingers today. Yeah. So this is how we do it for 2024. It's not coming as yet. It's coming starting sometime between March and April, which is the equinox, which is when you really have spring and the sunshine coming in, the birds and the bees singing. That's the real beginning of the year. The beginning of the equinox is when the real beginning of the year comes true. Yeah, not Christmas, not the end of December. No, it's for the equinox between March and April. That's why they say All Fools Day on April. So I'll not be telling no one Happy New Year coming on to the end of March or the beginning of April. No one is going to get that from me. You're not going to get a Happy New Year from this motherfucker right here. No, you're going to get nothing. All you're going to get is, I told you so, motherfuckers. That's all you're going to get. So here in Barbados, this is how we do it. This is David J cooking up the truth for you. And we're going to move over. Yeah, we're going to move over to the nether slot and let somebody comes in and do their thing. But I just want to say to you guys, happy Thursday. Bring it live to you and direct from the Gall, from the Chief, from the AK Chef Daddy Mac Daddy motherfucker, right here in Barbados, David J. Over and out. Love you guys. One and all. Oh yeah. Thumbs up for all the Starseeds, and all the rest of people could fuck off. Over and out.